Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I'm going to discuss two more examples related to finding the confidence interval for population mean and the case where the variance is known. Okay, the population variance is known. Alright, so in this example here, we have a survey of 35 individuals who passed the 7 exams and obtained the rank of fellow in the actuarial field, finds the average annual salary, so average is the mean, to be 150,000 ringgit Malaysia. Now, suppose the population standard deviation is 15,000. So this one is sigma. Sigma is 15,000, which is known. Therefore, construct a 95%. So this is the confidence level. So construct a 95% confidence interval for the population's average annual salary and assume data comes from a normal population. So first of all, I'm just going to write down all the information given here. We know that n is equal to 35, and based on this, based on the result of this, the mean is found to be 150,000. So this is the sample mean, to be specific, and this is equal to 150,000. Now, population standard deviation, so this is sigma. Sigma is equal to 15,000. And then confidence level is 0.95. And therefore, alpha is 1 minus confidence level. 1 minus 0.95 is 0.05. So, next, let us try and sketch the confidence level and the area for alpha over 2 and so on. So this is negative z alpha over 2, which we need to find. This is positive z alpha over 2, and this is 0.0. So the area in the middle here is going to be equal to 0.95, and therefore on this side, this is alpha over 2, and this one is also, the area is equal to alpha over 2. So what is alpha over 2? This is 0.05 divided with 2. So therefore, the area for this one is 0.025, and this one is also 0.025. Okay, and you can total up. If you total up, you will get equal to 0.05. So based on the standard normal distribution table, you should be looking for 0.025 inside the table, okay? And the value of z alpha over 2 is going to be equal to 1.96. Alright, so for this one, the value of z alpha over 2 is going to be equal to 1.96, and this one is going to be negative 1.96. So these are the values that I trust you can find on your own by referring to the standard normal distribution table. Okay, sorry. Oops. Right, next is we are going to construct the confidence interval using the formula given here. Okay, so we have the formula, which is x bar plus minus z alpha over 2 sigma over square root n. So in this case, x bar is 150,000 plus minus, so this is the z quantile, and the answer is 1.96. Okay, so just 1.96, we just take the positive value here, 1.96. And then sigma is 15,000 over square root of 35. Oops, square root of 35. Alright, so based on this, I trust that you'll be able to get the answer between these two values here. Alright. Okay, let's move on to the next example. A researcher here is interested in estimating the average monthly salary of sports reporters in Kuala Lumpur. So he wants to be 90% confident. So this one is the confidence level, which is equal to 0.9. He wants to be 90% confident that his estimate is correct. Okay, so we can say that average monthly salary of sports reporters in Kuala Lumpur to be our mu. This is the population mean. So average here is mean. And assume the standard deviation 1,100 ringgit is known. So this is the population standard deviation. So this is the value of sigma and it is already known. How large a sample is needed to get the desired information? So how large a sample? So what is the value of n? In order for the estimate to be accurate to within RM 150 ringgit. So let's try and visualize what are the problem given here. So first I'm going to sketch the standard normal distribution where this is at 0.0. So this is z alpha over 2, this is negative z alpha over 2, and the area in between is going to be equal to 0.9. So therefore alpha is 1 minus 0.9, which is equal to 0.1. Now alpha here is going to be this area is alpha over 2, and this area is also alpha over 2. So 0.1 divided by 2, you will get this one equal to 0.05 for this one, and this one is also equal to 0.05. So therefore, if you look up on the standard normal distribution table, you will get that the value of z alpha over 2 is going to be equal to 1. This is going to be equal to 1.65. Yep, and this is also equal to negative 1.65. Okay, so I hope you can do it on your own. Refer the standard normal distribution table and try and get these values given here. Alright, next is the formula to find the confidence interval is just x bar plus minus z alpha over 2. It's just considering the positive value here, plus and minus is already given on this side. So this is sigma over square root n. So when it says that it wants to be accurate within RM 150, this is actually the margin of error, and this is the value for margin of error. So basically we need to find what is the sample size. Therefore z alpha over 2 times sigma over square root n is equal to 150 ringgit Malaysia, right? And z alpha over 2 is 1.65 times with 1100, that is the value of standard deviation, over square root of n, which we don't know the value yet. So based on this, you will see that square root n is equal to 1.65 times 1100 over 150, and based on that you will get that the value of n is going to be just calculate this. Okay, so it's going to be about 146.4, and because the subject needs to be a whole number, the sample size needs to be a whole number here, therefore we can say that we can round up the value, so therefore n must be equal to 147. So they need a sample size of 147 in order to get the estimate to be accurate within plus minus 150. Alright, I think that's all for now. Thank you very much for watching.